The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has tweeted at 11:36 p.m. officially announcing the end of an era in Indian politics. He says, and I quote, "A glorious chapter in Indian politics comes to an end. India grieves the demise of a remarkable leader who devoted her life to public service and bettering lives of the poor. Sushma Swaraj ji was one of her kind, who was a source of inspiration for crores of people." That's the tweet of the Prime Minister. He then goes on to say Sushma ji was a prolific orator and an outstanding parliamentarian. She was admired and revered across party lines. She was uncompromising when it came to matters of ideology and interests of the BJP, whose growth she immensely contributed to. His last tweet says, "An excellent administrator, Sushma ji set high standards in every ministry she handled. She played a key role in bettering India's ties with various nations. As a minister, we also saw her compassionate side, helping fellow Indians who were in distress in any part of the world." Unquote. That is the Prime Minister tweeting just a short while ago, paying tributes